Lemon meringue pie, American classic. Who doesn't like lemon meringue pie? But I don't make desserts, okay? So I'm gonna make a graham cracker crust. I'm gonna use pistachios in the crust also because I get like FOMO for not being able to utilize the ingredient in the first round. So the crust is graham crackers, sugar, pistachios, and some brown butter. The brown butter gives it a nice nutty flavor and binds it together. And then I'm gonna make a Meyer lemon custard. A Meyer lemon, it's like lemony and sweet, like if a lemon got kissed by an orange.
Bobby, using graham crackers there?
Yeah.
All right, Bobby, what do you got for me?
So I'm using pistachios in my graham cracker crust.
Nice.
I'm gonna, here's the deal. You know, I don't like to bake. I get like custards, things start breaking, separating. So I'm gonna do like a key lime pie kind of idea, but use Meyer lemons instead.
Okay.
So sweetened condensed milk, you know.
Oh, yeah. Kind of like the safe way.
Exactly.
I get it, I get it. You feeling confident?
No.
Good luck, Bobby. 35 minutes left.
The crust are baking for about 10 or 12 minutes so that when I put the custard in, it's adhering together.
All right.
So the custard is egg yolks and sugar and some sweetened condensed milk. So it's like a sweet milk that binds it together. I'm using the juice from the lemons and the Meyer lemons. It's a very simple recipe, just like you make key lime pie. I ladle the lemon custard into the crust and I put it back in the oven for like 10 minutes. So far, so good.
What are you working on next?
I'm gonna make the meringue now.
You had some crust going. I know your crusts typically fall apart.
They did.
They're like disastrous.
You've obviously done your research.
I always do my research.
Yes. But also, I'm gonna put a lot of meringue on so that I can cover up all my mistakes underneath it. The meringue is egg whites and a little bit of salt, and then I'm gonna slowly add some sugar to create a nice glossy meringue. So the pies come out of the oven, so I put it into the blast chiller.
Did you just leave the door open?
No, I was burning my hand. Sorry. Can I put it here? Where do you want? Where do you want to put it?
Her out.
He travels up, so let's put it down.
Okay. Perfect.
Thank you, Chef.
I want a little texture. I'm gonna make a brittle. It's caramelized sugar and some pistachios, and I'm gonna lay it on a sheet pan. Hopefully it'll actually form into a brittle so I can cut it.
3.5 minutes left, guys.
Time is running out. I get them out of the freezer, and I get the outside ring mold off, but the bottom is a little flexible.
Looks like his pies are crumbling a little bit. Uh-oh.
Oh.
All right, don't look, don't look.
I'm looking, all right. I'm looking.
I think it's baked. I just don't think it's adhering together. So I put the meringue on top. I hit him with the blowtorch to toast it.
90 seconds.
I want to get the pistachio brittle out.
Bobby, you making brittle or bricks over there?
Some anger management issues over there. 3, 2,
1. Stop your working!
That was
Good job.